with lots of bright coloured letters floating around it. It's Finn and Shelley Shark. Hurry up, guys, or you'll be late for school. What will he learn today, I wonder? Could it be the alphabet? Do you remember how it goes? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Oh look, it's Mrs. Octopus. Shelley and Finn have made it to school in time. Tucker is playing hopscotch in the playground. Come on, Tucker, playtime is over. Time to head inside. The letters are now floating further along the reef. The little fishes are having so much fun. Oh dear, look at all that rubbish that's floating in the ocean. The letters are getting stuck in it. Here comes Daddy Shark. I'm sure he'll find the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's all of them. Nice work, Mummy and Daddy Shark. And thank you, Baby Grub too. But now they've got their letters bagged up, I wonder what they're going to do with them. There's the shell bell. School is over for today. Wow, Mummy and Daddy Shark have put all the letters of the alphabet up outside the school. That'll help the children learn their ABCs in no time at all. Bye, everyone.